birthday niya. Birthday. Grabe yung gifts niya, girl. Yan, yung gift niya. Yung sa akin. And this one is mine. Ganda pa naman, oh. And flowers. Balloons. Yan na. Birthday girl. The birthday girl.
And yes, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been a while that I haven't had a video, so today we have a chance. I had a chance to share with you guys what is the activities for today. So we are now in the city and we are going to look for Christmas gifts. And the birthday of my daughter is upcoming birthday of my daughter. I have to prepare a little bit of gift that she would love to have this on her birthday, I mean. So we are here now, and yeah, it's raining actually outside. So it's raining, oh my goodness, grabbing rain.
Got my new shoes. Got this one. Oswego. This brand is Oswego from Adidas. Amazing! Love it!
My first ever Cebu's chorizo. It tastes very good. Oh my god, I love it. Ito na, my first ever Cebu's chorizo. Wow, oh my god, ang sarap.
Magluto na naman tayo ng salad, macaroni salad.
And this is my ingredients. The rare ingredients is the nata de coco.
Gonna unbox this one. Give it a flip. This is how it looks like inside.
Yan. Running tayo. This is now our running view for today. Very, very nice view we have here. Wait. Yeah. And yes, welcome back to my channel, everyone. I would like to wish you all guys a happy new year, a wonderful 2021, a prosperous year for this year. Stay healthy, everyone, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yes, watch all my videos. Take care, everyone. And checking again my camera here, and this would be the makeup for the end of 2020. And yan, ito na yun. Simple makeup lang siya. And yes, okay naman. Medyo na blooming naman tayo ngayon. And yes, enjoy your day, everyone.